Are you tired of the constant mess in your car? Crumbs in the crevices, pet hair on the seats, and dust in the air? Meet the game changer you've been waiting for, the Socker Mini Handheld Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This small but mighty device will revolutionize the way you clean, making every inch of your car spotless in no time. Weighing just 380 grams, the Socker vacuum is as portable as it gets. Whether you're on a road trip, at the office, or simply parked at home, this compact device is ready to tackle any mess. Its lightweight design means you can take it anywhere, ensuring your car stays clean and fresh no matter where life takes you. But don't let its size fool you. This is a cleaning powerhouse. The Socker is equipped with a high-performance 120-watt brushless motor, delivering a whopping 12,000 PA suction power. Dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris don't stand a chance. From deep cleaning your car's floor mats to getting rid of those pesky crumbs in your cup holders, this vacuum handles it all with ease. Versatility is the name of the game. The Socker Mini Vacuum comes with 4 specialized attachments that make cleaning every nook and cranny effortless. Use the flat brush for surfaces, the long nozzle with a round brush for intricate areas, the short nozzle for tighter spaces, and the air nozzle for inflating or compressing. Yes, you heard that right. It doubles as an inflator and compressor, adding even more functionality to your cleaning arsenal. Imagine this. You're vacuuming under your car seats, reaching areas that were once impossible to clean. The Socker's cordless design means no more tangling wires or searching for a power outlet. Its ergonomic build fits comfortably in your hand, allowing for smooth and stress-free cleaning sessions. Worried about battery life? Don't be. A quick 3 to 4 hour charge gives you 20 to 30 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning power. That's more than enough time to restore your car's interior to showroom condition. And with a USB charging port, powering up your Socker vacuum is as simple as plugging it in at home, in your car, or even at the office. Maintenance couldn't be easier. The vacuum features a stainless steel filter that's both durable and washable. With a quick rinse, it's ready to deliver peak performance again and again. Plus, the dust container is easy to empty. No mess, no fuss. When the job is done, everything packs neatly into a sleek gray cloth bag. Measuring just 20 by 30 centimeters, it's compact enough to store in your glove box or trunk. The Socker Mini Vacuum is always within reach, ready to tackle the next mess life throws at you. And it's not just for your car. This little device is perfect for home use too. Clean your keyboard, sofa, or even hard-to-reach corners in your house. It's a multi-purpose cleaning tool that fits seamlessly into your everyday life. Let's talk value. Imagine having a cleaner, healthier car interior that's free from allergens and debris. Driving becomes a more pleasant and comfortable experience, especially for your family or passengers. With the Socker Mini Handheld Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, you're not just investing in cleanliness, you're investing in your well-being. Still not convinced? Picture yourself inflating a swim ring at the beach or compressing a vacuum sealer bag at home, all with the same device. The Socker vacuum isn't just a cleaner, it's a versatile tool that makes your life easier in countless ways. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment to get your hands on the Socker Mini Handheld Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Experience the power, convenience, and versatility that thousands of satisfied users are already raving about. Don't let dirt and debris take control of your life. Take the first step towards a cleaner, fresher environment. The Socker Mini Vacuum is here to make cleaning effortless, whether it's your car, your home, or anything in between. Remember, the link is right there in the description and pinned comment. Click it now and discover the difference the Socker Mini Handheld Cordless Vacuum Cleaner can make in your life.